out my body, yeah. When we link up, legendary. I just took Cialis, but she on mine.
What's up, Mo Views? We back again. Y'all already know the title. Your boy got some new wheels in for the E92. So we're gonna do us a little unboxing. Not only for our E92 people, also for the people that's into the ground force movement. You know, we're gonna see what they're all about. See what they're about. See what they're about. Yeah. So let's go. Alright, that's how they shipped it to me. I got 19s by 10.5 for the back.
What's 10.5?
For the front. The width of the tire. And 19 is the size of the tire.
And 9. So 9.5 goes in front, 10.5 go on the back.
Right, because it's water. So we got all 4 wheels. Two came in that box, 2 came in this box. So let's get to the unboxing. Dun. Dun dun dun. Okay, for real. Let's go. You can get this from me so they can get the full effect of it. Go ahead and get this thing.
Really, Papa?
You want to see the wheels too?
He excited just to do it.
Oh man, let me show him. Look at this. There's some good packaging. Yeah, so let's go ahead. If you already know what I got, go ahead and comment below what color I got. First one to comment what color I got gets a shout out, even though I got like, 100 subscribers. Wait. But we gonna have 1 million by the end of this year. Okay. Ooh.
What is that?
It's like a little, it's like your headscarf.
No. It's like when the shoes come with a shoe bag.
Hold up.
This designer wheels?
Designer, we got the dust bag. Yo, clean. Look at that. Look at that. I know y'all liking that. I know y'all liking that. They did a real good job with the packaging, man. I don't even know if I'm gonna take this off yet. Can I get on it?
Oh, wow. The tape and everything looks stinky.
So we're gonna get all 4 of these unboxed. We're gonna come back to you. Alright, so I'm sitting here unboxing, right? So you know how I said the 10.5? You know, they got a deeper concave. You guys check this out. Check this out. I'm gonna take you out through this whole thing. Check this out. It's deeper. And I know, like, you can't really tell on camera. Like, but look at my arm. It's like, alright, check that out. You know, so anybody looking to get these wheels, man, they is clean. They are clean. Even my little man happy over there. Y'all hear him? We riding fresh. Alright. Go ahead. Let me go ahead and take this out for y'all. Let me show you how light it is too. It ain't that heavy. Alright, let's get it up.
Woo!
Y'all see that? Now that's icy. Clean. Clean, baby. Check him out. Check him out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice, right? I mean, hey, leave a like. You know, I do got some I got some crazy shit coming with the E92, man. About to get it wrapped. Everything should be done with the next couple months or so. And we're gonna be on this channel strong. Look at that, I took the blue plastic off for you. So I get a good look at how clean it is. I mean, I didn't see a lot of reviews on these, but I know people looking for them, you know. So this, see how the wrap, I took it off. But this right here, this is 10.5. This is 9.5. Now look at that concave. Now look at that concave. You know, it's sick. So, boom. Once again, follow, like. I said follow like this Instagram. You can follow that too. It's in the thing down there, right there. And subscribe, like, comment, and hey, guess what color the car gonna be? What y'all guess? With the black wheels, what color wrap I'm gonna go with? Give y'all a hint. It's bright. It's bright. With the sun out, it's bright. You know, so let's get it. Let's get to. We're going to 1 million views this year. Fuck it.
Let's get gnarly. I get out my body, yeah. When we link up, I just took Seattle.